Looking to restore your pearly whites? Dental crowns are the hot ticket. Crowns are an awesome option for fixing teeth that are chipped, decayed, or just downright weak. If you're thinking about getting crowned, check this guide to learn all about it. What are dental crowns? Dental crowns Lynnwood are custom-made caps that are placed over the visible portion of a tooth, providing essential protection while blending in seamlessly with your other pearly whites. How do dental crowns work? Dental crowns Lynnwood are typically used to restore teeth that are damaged, decayed, or weakened. The process of getting a dental crown typically involves several steps. 1. Evaluation. Your dentist will evaluate the tooth that needs a crown, taking x-rays and examining the area. 2. Preparation. To make room for the crown, the tooth will be shaped and filed down. 3. Temporary crown. While you wait for the permanent crown to be made, your dentist will place a temporary crown over to prepare tooth to protect it. 4. Fitting. They will ensure the crown fits properly and matches the color of your natural teeth. 5. Bonding. Once the fitting is confirmed, your dentist will bond the crown to the tooth using dental cement. Dental crowns might be just what you need. And if you're in the Lynnwood, Wawa area, you'll definitely want to check out the Lynnwood Tooth Jacket, a popular option for getting that extra strength without sacrificing the appearance of your teeth. If you're looking for a trusted provider in Lynnwood, look for Robinson Dental Family Clinic. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule an appointment today. Let us help you achieve the smile you've always wanted. At Robinson Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, we are proud to offer high-quality cosmetic dentistry services to patients in Lynnwood, Meadowdale, Alderwood, Shoreline, Mount Lake Terrace, and Woodway, Washington. Led by experienced dentist Dr. Brent Robinson, our team is dedicated to helping patients achieve their desired results. To learn more about our services or schedule a consultation, please contact us today by calling 425-778-1164 or visit 19108 33rd Avenue West Suite B, Lynnwood, Washington, 98036. You may also visit our website at www.robinsondental.com.